Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome to SyntaxSketch, where we turn your coding dreams into reality. Today, we're kicking off an exciting new series that will take you from zero to hero in GUI development using Python. So, what's a GUI anyway? GUI stands for Graphical User Interface. It's what makes software visually interactive. Think of buttons, sliders, input fields, all those elements that let you interact with your favorite apps. From desktop applications to small tools, GUIs are everywhere. Python is one of the easiest and most versatile programming languages to get started with. And thanks to its built-in library, Tkinter, creating GUIs has never been simpler. Plus, we'll introduce you to CustomTkinter, which allows us to design sleek, modern interfaces. No more plain, outdated designs. By the end of this series, you'll have the skills to create your own interactive applications, from simple tools to complex desktop software. And the best part? You don't need any prior experience in GUI development to follow along. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced Python developer looking to add a new skill to your toolkit, this series is for you. Install Python and set up your environment. Create your first Tkinter window. Customize your GUI with widgets. Enhance design with CustomTkinter. Build a real application step by step. Organize and deploy your projects. Sounds exciting, right? Here's what you need to do. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss a single episode. And if you're ready to start your GUI development journey, join me in the next video where we'll set up everything you need to get started. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next episode.